Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, my name is Muhammad Rizky Abid Pratama. Here, I will make a presentation related to a paper titled "Plan Applying the PDCA or Plan, Do, Check, and Act at Cycle to Reduce the Defect in the Industry, a case study." Okay, lean manufacturing concept. Defects are considered as one of the worst in the manufacturing system that negatively affect the delivery times, cost, and quality of product, leading to manufacturing companies facing a critical situation with the customer and to not comply with the IPC 610A standard for the acceptability of electronic component. Next, lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing, the main feature of lean manufacturing include just-in-time practice, work in progress, waste reduction, improvement strategies, defect-free production, and work standardization. Next, uh, the main goal of lean manufacturing is increasing the company profits and adding value by delay the waste. It is by this reason that when companies seek improve uh, the effect the effective the effectiveness and efficiency of their production process, they implement lean manufacturing. Regard the WAS literature mentioned that in the manufacturing industry, they are classified into 7 categories: overproduction, inventory, transportation, waiting times, movement, overprocessing, and defects. All of this was negatively affect the delivery times, cost, and quality of problems. And then to reduce or delay the was such as defects in a manufacturing company, lean manufacturing provides 25 methods, techniques, or tools. Some of are 5S, just in time, Kaizen, and PDCA plan to check or H cycle. In the present project, only the PDCA cycle is used. Okay, next, PDCA cycles. The PDCA cycles, also known as Deming cycle or Seward cycle, is a lean manufacturing methodology that was developed in one in 1930 when there was no more exclusive product and more quality management focus on competitive rise in the global market. In this begins the PDCA cycle was used a tool for the quality control of product. However, rapidly it was highlighted as a method that allowed developing improvement in process at organization level. Currently, the PDCA cycle is characteristic is continuous improvement approach, and it is recognized as a logic program that allows improving the activities. Next, PDCA cycle. uh, First, plan. In this phase improvement, opportunities are identified and later priorities are assigned to them. Likewise, the current situation of the process to be analyzed is defined by means of consistent data. Uh, the problem the problem cause are determined and possible solution are proposed uh, proposed to solve it. And then do. In this phase, it is intended to implement the action plan, select and document the information, also un, un, unexpected event, learned lesson and the acquired knowledge must be considered. And then checks. In this step, there is a there is a the result of the action implement in the before step are analyzed. Before and after comparison is performed verifying whether there were improvement and if the stability objective were achieved. To these several graphic support tools such as Pareto chart or Ishikawa diagram can be used. And then finally, X. This phase consists in developing method aim to standardize the improvement in the in the case objective had been reached. In addition, the probe is repeated to obtain new data and retest the improvement only if there insufficient or circumstance have changed or the project is abandoned and a new one is begun from the first step in the case the implement action did not yield effective improvement. Next, support the PDCA cycle. Serve as support the PDCA cycle are the 5S and then failure model, analysis and effect or FMEA, 5W1A, brainstorming, and then benchmarking, and then statistical process control or SPC, checklist, Ishikawa diagram or fishbone diagram, and the Pareto charts, quality function development or QVD, flow charts, histograms, single minute extent of day or SMAD, Hokayox, Slave Qual, Times Quality, and Six Sigma. And then literature show that different applications of PDCA cycle have been implemented with positive result, achieving the reduction of costs and defects, as well as improving the quality of process and product. Next, Pareto charts. Pareto charts. The Pareto chart is a special type of bar chart in which each bar represents a different category or part of a problem. Pareto chart has the following advantage. It decomposes a problem into categories or factors. It identifies the key categories that contribute the most to a specific problem. This means prioritize the vital problems over the trivial ones. And then finally, it shows where to focus efforts. Similarly, Sharma and Shourie applied Pareto chart in production to reduce the rejects and rework by identifying where high gas rejection occurs and to give suggestion for improvement. Finally, Nabilah et al. Applied the Pareto chart in an electrodeposition process to detect the most frequent defects in such process. As result, they detect that bits were the most frequent defect in electrodeposition process. As in the case studies of PDCA cycle, literature review shows that the Pareto chart is useful to detect the most frequent defects in process or product. Therefore, we select the Pareto chart to detect the most frequent defects in the welding process of the manual finish area. Next, flow chart. Flow chart is visual to shows the workflow for a specific work process. Facilitate the understanding and then standardization and improvement of such process. More precisely, a flowchart is a picture that contains the steps of a work process. The flowchart provides the following advantage. It allow identify the sequence of necessary steps to perform a task. It allows identifying the relationship among the steps. It highlights the transparency, the flash from where the process flow from a person to another one. It allows for detecting problem in the analysis process. And then, finally, conclusion and recommendation. It is the conclusion that the PDCA cycle is a tool that facilitates the detection of improvement opportunities as well as the development and implementation of the same in lean manufacturing project. Sahar and Saleh used the methodology of PDCA, observation conceptual generation through PUGH method and design software to analyze the grinding process for producing cutting tools. The aim this research was to develop a carbide sludge remover machine that fit perfectly into cutting tool industry's production lines. Since carbide sludge will be filtered in the filter machine, monthly maintenance was necessary for the filtering machine that include behaving lean and PDCA method that are based on an action plan. It was possible to ensure the implementation of some of the developed solution, as well as the subsequent process and the rigorous registers of this as a record for the future. The performance of efficiency was dramatically increased by this study. Nabilah, Hamidan, and Pais utilized the PDCA cycle approach to reduce the defect in electrodeposition. Regarding the service sector, Sen and Zhao applied PDCA cycle in hospital in the Herceptin usage management application. The difference of the defect rate of Herceptin management in the breast cancer patient before of after PDCA circulation method will compare. They conclude the PDCA cycle management method could significantly reduce the defect rate of Herceptin management and ensure the drug safety or hesitant in breast rework rate. Rework rate, identifying saving defects or particular product needs search. Cause effect diagram where concern to show the root cause effect and 5S, and then PDCA was used to manifest the defects effectively. Similarly, Jagusic and Kochik represents a case of the practical use of a PDCA cycle in a manufacturing company is as a solution to quality problem that occurred during production of photo frames. The number of on component material decreased more than 60%. And based to successful result that were obtained in all these case studies, we decided to apply the PDCA cycle to delete or decrease the number of effect in the welding process of the manual finish area. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.